Automation Direct has all sorts of linear guides, slides, tracks, and carriages for your linear motion needs. Automation Direct offers 7 sizes of PBC linear guide tracks with slides in lengths up to 2,000 millimeters. The guide tracks are ceramic-coated 6061-T6 aluminum paired with a self-lubricating slide. The slides have a proprietary PTFE plain bearing bonded to the mating surface. These guide tracks and slides are rated for static loads up to 8,200 newtons and extreme temperatures from -400 to +400 degrees Fahrenheit. They offer smooth, quiet operation with inherent vibration dampening and shock resistance. And the maintenance-free bearing surfaces require no additional lubricant. The roller pillow blocks have aluminum housings with sealed cam follower bearings and offer linear travel speeds up to 7.6 meters per second. These industry-standard pillow blocks are designed for use with precision-ground linear shafts such as the PBC Simplicity 60 series and are available in single, double, and twin styles. The single styles are self-aligning and can be used on curved rails. Click here for linear motion components for your applications, and click here to subscribe to be notified of new products and solutions.